Testing, testing. Check, check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another Coding Not So Every Day Until I Get a Job. This is day 157. Yes, in 10 days, we're going to have a very, very amazing day. So, today, I'd like to continue the one that I couldn't do yesterday, the throwing. I don't know why that didn't work. I thought it would work. Man, I really need some microphone stand, doesn't it? Because this is just much better. Like, you can clearly hear my voice. You can even hear the particles of my thought. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. I'm gonna stop. Okay, so let's open the terminal. So I already tried it locally, but it wouldn't run because if I remember, um, the document.core selector only work if it's running in the browser. It wouldn't work unless like I make some sort of like a web server. So okay, the thing is, it was supposed to be easy, right? But for some reason I couldn't do it. Okay, so object has a property that matches the genre. Okay, check if object has property JS. I tried to use this has own function or has own property, but it didn't work. Let's try it again. Yeah, if story object wait 1 second. Let's make a new display. Let's make a new display function. Okay. Function display story. So it's gonna take genre, and the first if is to check if this have. Man, I really need the microphone stand, don't I? Okay. Because I could hear my voice even better here. Like even like around here or here, it's just much better. There has to be a way for me to. Okay, let's save up and get a microphone stand. Okay, next month or something. I don't know. But yeah, how about now? How about now? How about now? Okay, yeah, no. It's because the type of this microphone performs the best when it's like close proximity. Okay. This should work, right? Has own property should work. I don't know why it didn't work. So let's try if story object, because it's global, right? Has own property genre, then okay, so if if story object has a property genre, has property that match this genre, we need to set the result, which is in this case, we already know the result paragraph, right? Okay, this is just result paragraph. Okay, result paragraph dot um maybe we can just do inner HTML, and it's going to be the genre. No. It's going to be story object dot genre dot story. That should work. And then we also going to the set the story container, which is, do we have a story container? Yes, we have. We have a story container, and it's going to be story container dot style. Huh? Why doesn't it? We have a story container here, so why doesn't it not working? Sorry, not like the story style dot border color, and it's going to be the story object dot genre dot border color. What did I do wrong here? What's like the fault here? Because this should return true, which means like if it's true, then it's gonna do this. Isn't it gonna return anything? Thing is, why doesn't it work? Huh. Okay, if I console log, yeah, sorry. This is I have no idea how or what is wrong. I mean, it might be some stupid question, but it's gotta be something stupid that I miss or I forgot. Are you fucking serious? Oh my god, are you serious? It's almost there. Fuck. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, I keep forgetting. Okay. This genre doesn't exist. Oh my god, I forgot. I keep forgetting. Sorry, guys. Okay, so what's wrong? What's wrong with that? No. Oh, why does it uses the assignment value and not okay? Really? Seriously? I don't remember using. I thought you need to making it. Are you serious, man? Are you serious? It's just I thought. forgot. Is it just remove or like? Oh, okay. Oh my God. Okay. So it's okay. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. It's just that dynamic story object. Hello, Mr. Best Dressed. So yeah, we want to make a dynamic story object thingy so that every time I click, it will run. But then I need to wrap this display into an anonymous function so that it would do that apparently. And I feel so stupid of just like it's such an you just add like these four characters and it would solve the problem. But like yes, 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 thank you. This is such a good problem to encounter right now because yes. So yeah, I get it. I get it. Yeah, yeah, I know. This is such a thank goodness we found this issue earlier because I keep finding this like stupid silly mistake where it's just how come I forgot? Like ugh. Like it's right there. Like the obvious answer and the problem. It's already there, but it's I couldn't see it. Same with the DSA and everything. Like, oh, I just need to do that. Like, so yeah, I've been trying to move on and learn a few chapter more. Like yesterday, we had the DOM and then the event listener. So all that, making actual JavaScript. Why it like the purpose of JavaScript being created to make it dynamic stuff. Yeah. So a little bit HTML, a little bit of CSS. I think I really want to relearn the vanilla CSS, especially like I saw a lot of video where there are new like CSS classes or like function or something like that, where vanilla CSS is getting like really, really complex and good, and like, oh, that's interesting. But yeah, okay, I think let's do another workshop, because I think this practice is good. Because hello, thank you. Yeah, I guess that's why we do this every day, because I just keep finding the same silly mistake. Okay, let's do the next workshop. Oh, this should be fun. This should be fun. Let's do it. Okay. Main, and inside the main we have h1. Let's go. The test case, bro. The test case have to be super exact, yeah. Now you don't need to learn CSS. The thing is, I really want to. What do you suggest? Like Tailwind is better. I mean, like, well, what do you suggest? Like, I mean, I don't mind learning some basics again. I mean, like, even though right now, like, yeah, I mean, like, you can just prompt it anyway. Whoa, whoa, calm down. Sorry. Oh, sorry. I, wait, how come? Okay. ID in HTML. How come I forgot? Is it how you do it? Wait. Do you put the? Oh no, that's only for the CSS. Sorry, I forgot. Oh my god, this is terrible. CSS HTML is well standardized in document already. Better read the docs for your use case. True. Sorry, I forgot this. That's when you want to in the styles here. Okay. Nice. Next. Inside the button element, inside here, create a span that has that. Let's just copy paste it so that you wouldn't be angry. Element a role. Wait, element. Give the span element role a role. Wait, span role. I don't know. Span has that. What? What are the attributes? Attributes. Role. Ah, okay. Oh, role. Okay, yeah, yeah. It's just an attribute. Sorry. We should be able to just look something, you know how you're gonna compose it. Lol. Okay. Understandable, understandable. Do I need to do that? Nice. Continue. Now you need to add an event listener on the happy button. Happy button. Add listener. Write the event listener and its callback so that when the button is clicked, the app will log the console button clicked. So let's do click. And the callback is right the event listener. So when it's click, right? So let's just gonna do return button clicked. There we go. Nice. Now replace the content of the event listener callback. Now replace the content of the event listener, yeah. Just to find the count element. Use query selector to find the count element. Okay, so let's do fonts count element equals to document dot query selector. And it's just based on the count. Or okay, I think we just need to do count, right? Yes. Maybe you can just, okay, wait, let me check. The count is the span. So I think it's gonna log that. Okay, let's close the index so that we can see this much better. Okay. Aduh, I forgot lagi. Apa ya ininya? Not in HTML is to change, right? What if you just want to display the text? I forgot the name. Show text, like text input. Is it something like that? Show text? Is it like show text? I forgot the thing. I forgot the name. Um. Not inner HTML. Like man, you guys know? But you got legit point also. Probably some basic stuff are needed, but best of as you wrote, link just seems to have it already. I suggest ready to learn by building simply a pretty SPA to sharpen FADF skill. But like vanilla first, right? But vanilla, right? No lib or framework yet. I forgot the damn name. Not accessibility. Um, it's to just display text. Is it display text? Display text. Not inner text. Oh, inner text. Sorry, yeah, it's inner text, right? Text content, yes, text content or something like that. Nice, nice. Okay, good. Thank you. It's yeah, text content or inner text. It's either one of those. There was a chapter of it, but I already forgot. Now you need to get the first number they were given for no. Parse the text content of the count element to extract the current number. Convert the count from a string the current. Okay, I need to do a little bit of experiment just to test first. Let me make an experiment first. I want to check something to see if it's working. So this is the emoji reactor. So let's just do test like this, and instead of this, of course, I have what the how come I have this file here? What? Sorry, cd react emoji and then test yes. So what I want to do, let's just say we have a con text equals to the 0 point, god damn it, okay, let's just const x equals to 0 over 10, and then if we console.log x.split, I forgot what is the parameter of split. I forgot the parameter. It's just gonna take oh no, we don't need the text split. No, we can just do, oh shoot, okay, and just do text 0. That should work. Okay, so we don't need to. Okay, wait. No. Wait. Hold up. Yes, okay. You're looking for text content. Yes, definitely would be good. Make sure you should keep project simple. Text content. You're looking for text content? Yeah. Text content equals foo. Inner text works too. Yeah, you can just like make a simple A. Here's the end version to React is more advanced version of that. Like you just get an idea of what might happening under the hood. Substring. Yes, I forgot. Oh, it's sorry, not that I forgot. Wait. So I think it should be split. Can I do this? Would that work? And then wrap this inside of like number object. Is that possible? Okay. Parse the text content of the count element to extract the current number. Oh no, it can't be that way, is it? Because this is gonna increase. Convert the count from string to number. Log the current count. If we're gonna reference string char by index, I think the proper way is string char code add. Okay. I want to test this first. I don't think this is the correct way, but it's okay. I think this is incorrect, but it's okay. If you're gonna reference string, but okay, it's str still works, but I think the char code is more correct. Char code add, right? Char code add. Ah, okay, or char code, right? Or this char add. Parse int. Okay. If you want to reference a character, yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay. I think that should work, right? And then we can use parse int. Sorry, it's not like wrapping it, but I thought wrapping it in a number object would also convert them, right? Yeah, it should work. How come it doesn't work? Let's do okay. Let's try parse int. If parse int doesn't work, then okay. In the end, easy way to convert is parse int foo. Okay. And then we should console log current count. Ah, sorry. Oh my god, I forgot. Wait. Yeah. Wait, I forgot. It's the text content. I need to put the text content first. I forgot. Sorry. Okay. Why doesn't it all work? Ah, okay. Okay. So it should be this dot text content and then dot split. Okay, yeah, that works. Thank you. Okay, but yeah, it's I don't know why wrapping it in the number doesn't work, even if it does the same thing. How? Okay, now it's time to implement the actual counting. Instead of just logging the current count, you need to increment it and update the display. Remove the console log. Okay. Check if the current first number inside there is already 10. The text is, and so do nothing. Can you return nothing? Does that work? If count L. Can you just do that? Is it possible? So yeah, okay. I don't know if that's like the actual yeah. Is it possible? Yep. Doesn't mean your chart doesn't work. It works, but then the number is it doesn't work correctly. Oh, okay. Roger that. Okay. So it's just better to follow the instruction or you split. Sorry, I just need to read the. Can I do that? I don't know if that works, but we'll try. No, check the current count. No, I'll shut up. Okay, okay. It's not an array. Okay, that apparently doesn't work. Okay, how should we do this? Okay, seems like he's getting it. No, I'm not getting it. Continue is meant for use with loop. Okay, so no, that doesn't work. So how can we make it? Okay, check if the current first number inside the count is already 10. So I think this should work. This should work. This statement, but the one I don't get is if so, do nothing. What is that supposed to mean? Um, like could I just if we return 10 out of 10? Like, is that possible? Okay, no. I don't know. How is it nice? I don't. When the button is clicked, the count should increment from. Huh. when you split a string on line 5, you have 10, 10. So cur count is string still at that point. On line 7 is probably valid because I think it does some forecasting for the comparison. It's comparing another for example, but just know how, I don't know. Yeah, just remember just sucks. Okay, ready. Your best bet just to reduce confusion is to wrap the result of current in parse in, so you know for sure what you have in number type. I didn't like TypeScript at first, but this is exactly why TypeScript is good. I don't know what the plus is for. Yeah, me too. Like it's like the, what does the plus do? I don't get it. But it says that the cur count is read only, and the global variable or object property was assigned to is a read only. But technically, it is a non-writable. The error happens only in strict mode. JavaScript only exception is read only occurs when a global variable or object property was assigned to is read only property. What is that? Like I can't change that? So why does it tell me to increment that then? This is probably frustrating for you guys to watch. Like, well, why is this kid not understanding? You need to declare with let. This one? Oh my god. Holy, are you serious? Oh my god. Oh my god. Inertia is not a method. It's how you said it. Oh my god. Because with reference to DOM element, its methods are actually limited. Yes. My god. Holy shit. What the fuck was that supposed to be? Oh my god. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for. I'm sorry. This is such a terrible. Ugh, my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're dealing with. Okay. And my input. So, but when you have a JS array, you have methods. That's just a general way of separating in my head, but it makes it easier. Yeah. Roger that. I'm just. Decided you use equal because you're actually literally setting it. It's not like a parameter or nor a method. Yeah. Okay. Let's just finish this, and I think I'm just gonna finish this. Let's do it. Okay. I think I'm too exhausted because today I went to the gym for the first time. So I'll take a just for it's when you have like the example thing on the split everything on the right side, you seem unaware of what the return value type is. And I think if you pay attention to it a little bit more, when you move to the next line of code, you'll make less mistakes. The text content will return to string, so const type is string. But if you have taken a split, another concept is array and an array of string. Okay, so this is why people love TypeScript, yeah. This type of thing, because you don't know what the fuck you're working with. You're working with randomness, but yeah, okay. Oh my god. Thank you. Okay, yeah, I think yeah, for example, if it's this const happy button, document requires like that, this is going to be like an HTML element, right? Which is referred to this button, which have the ID of the happy button. So with the confused, sad, and the other. So let's just make the other four. So we have confused, we have sad, and then after confused, we also have loving. Loving, nice. Okay, and then we just need to make the other, right? Sad button, loving button, confused button. Right, okay. So after that, we have sad, we have another sad, and then we just need the confused button. Oh my god, okay. It's not even a correct function. Now we just need the loving button. Nice, okay. There we go. Nice, lovely. You've probably noticed that your code is getting quite repetitive. There's a better way to handle multiple similar elements. Instead of selecting each button individually, use query selector all emoji button to select all buttons with the class emoji button at once. So result in a variable called buttons. Okay, so what we can do is const button equals to document dot query selector all, and it's just gonna take the emoji button class. You should store the result in a variable called buttons. Property s. And I think we're gonna refactor all the other. Now make some space. Remove all the button variables and the event queries you've created. Okay. You learn that query selector all returns a node list, which is an array-like structure, and one of the method for the has is for each, and it works the same way as for each that exists on arrays. Iterate over buttons with the for each that adds the same event listener to each button. Use a callback function that takes button's parameter, and inside the callback, add a click event listener that calls that. Okay. I forgot the parameter for each. So just try to make that adjustment. I think you'll see improvement. Okay, well, we'll give that a try. Ah, sorry, we need to put it inside. Yeah, exercise callback. Sorry, this should be like this, and then this should be like button, and like that. And then we can just do button, button. You have an expression. An expression? Expression? Expression. Okay, I'm getting way too confused here. Because it's just too much. It's just too nested. I just by itself. It's just gonna run it right away. Okay. Update count. Yeah. Oh my god. It's always the stupid tiny thing. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna end it for today. So how do you write now? So how do sorry, I need to sleep. Oh my god. I just remember when you see callback, it wants a reference to the callback function, not a function execution. Roger that, roger that. Okay. Oh my god. I mean, I would say if you're currently interviewing, the interviewer would probably be pissed off like, holy shit, this kid is like, you keep forgetting stupid shit. Wow. It's probably something like that. You have to already be comfortable with. It's always like, okay, I already know. It's there. I already like practiced this, but how come I just didn't see it again and again? Okay. Thank you so much for helping and guiding and being patient with this stranger over the internet that has been unemployed for over, to be honest, it's going to be almost a year now, and that's kind of sad. Okay. The manipulation events, accessibility, regex, and dates. I don't think, yeah, maybe what's after this? Accessibility? Ooh, okay. When we have like this, like note taking app, something like maybe we can do just a workshop, practicing a little bit, and then ooh, okay. I think this should be fun for like the next week. We can just finish all of this. I don't think I could like finish everything in the whole day anyways. But this is nice. I think good practice, good reasoning, good like just getting into the code again and again. Like of yours, should like counter, processor, rock, paper, scissors. So yeah, I think this would be good. Really good that you're pausing on projects and like putting in time to learn this correctly. So in general, I was unemployed for 21 months and I just spent all the time trying to get better. Some small contract work, but that wasn't my focus. What did you like? How to stop telling yourself like the negative stuff? Like it's just holy. I had a lot of gaps less now, but I focus on filling the gaps. Okay, so I think that's what I'm currently doing as well, filling the gaps. Like all the self, I heard, I know, like it's more like an internal thing. Like maybe it's just me. Like sometimes it's there, sometimes like sometimes negatives, like when I look at the days that it just keeps increasing, sometimes holy shit, am I actually going to be able to do something with this? I mean, I'm trying to stay as positive as possible, like trying to be consistent, trying to just calm, doing other things as well in the meantime, so I wouldn't like burn out or stress, but still, like, oh, we got 122, nice. Sorry. But my attention didn't reflect that. But there's nothing I can do about being lazy in the past and just tell myself or accept I am behind. Yeah, I guess you're right. I guess yeah, I mean, yeah, true. I mean like so I knew I can do the job. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. But I have to change something. To be a valid candidate. Roger that. Okay. So I think and for me, if I'm already get prepared, already do my exercise, read much, and then negative stuff is not real. It's all in my head, isn't it? Okay. Well, I guess that's just the journey, right? I just gotta keep grinding, gotta keep doing it until eventually it clicks. As sad, as painful as it is, but yeah. This is it, sometimes I feel like I feel good, I feel great. Like today, I do the stream and even though I made too much mistake, but yeah, I guess it comes and goes, right? But that's everyone. Especially when self-thought. Okay, roger that, I guess. I just have to keep going until all of this is done, until I have good fundamentals, and then go back to making projects. But yeah, again, thank you so much for tuning in and helping me solving the problems. Most likely you just don't know how's progress of others, and that's not important. So I had to just look forward. I know if I sit this much in front of my computer, I need to be doing something productive. True, true, agree. Okay, so I guess Mr. Westress, and I still don't know your name, but BH says Dig 6. Someone is always gonna be better. Yes. Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope everyone have a great day or night or evening, as always. And yeah, Harold, Mr. Harold. Oh yeah, that guy. I couldn't find anything from the channel, but yeah. But again, thank you so much for helping and joining and being patient at me not knowing simple stuff. Okay, let's see if it's good. Okay, 157, 157. Customization, analytics. How do I stop the stream? Oh, here. What? How do I stop? Okay, we have 8 hours of watch time. That is cool. Thanks, guys. How is it 8 hours of watch time? Huh? How many people are watching actually? Wait, yeah, wait, let me check. Is it analytics? No, no, no. It's in here. The view live control. Oh my god, there's 5 people? Could the other 3 people just say anything on chat so that we could see that there is people? Because oh my god, there's like 5 people. Hi. Average view duration is 9. Okay. Nice. Damn, there's 5 people. Where are you guys from? The other 3 people. Oh, the other one is just myself, is it? So the other 2 people. Wait 1 second. Well, okay. I guess that's it for tonight again. Hope everyone have a great day. I'll see you. I don't know if I think I can do again tomorrow. So we get to continue to make new stuff and just forgot simple syntax. So yeah. See you tomorrow. If I can. Or some other day this week. Just yeah. I'll make sure to keep trying to do. Okay.